I guess we received this Snailax cordless bag massager for reviewing purposes. So let's open it and take everything out of the box. I like it because it has interchangeable heads, and you can also use a heat function, which I find quite nice. Okay. And here we've got the use and care manual. It also says how to change the different heads that it comes with. Okay, so this is the main unit. As you can see, it's really nice. We've got in here the power button, the heat button, the mode, and the intensity. Okay, it charges with a DC charger. It comes right here. You just plug it in, you charge it. Okay, it has this shape, so you can use it wherever you want, any part of your body without having too much trouble. Okay. And here we've got the different heads. This U-shaped one. These with 3 nodes. This one that is a bit more flexible. Lastly, this shiatsu style. Okay. So let's see. Works really nice. You can also use it on your lower back. But it has a heat function. You can use it like this. It has a heat function. It starts heating this part. So it's perfect for your neck or whatever you want to use it. So as you can see, it's really easy to use. It's way that you can grab it and reach difficult areas, and it's really nice. I like a lot the different heads you've got to use it, so you can be interchanging the head depending on what kind of massage you want. That is something really nice, and I would really recommend it. It's great that it has 3 speeds and 3 different modes, and the heating function when you get the interchangeable heads out of it. So I will actually really recommend it. It's great to give yourself back massages, so if you wanna give someone some massages, it's really great. It's easy to use and a nice option. See ya.